it can be harder to spot scams when they target a template or bulk list. Switching dual controls on for templates and bulk lists can help reduce the risk of inputting errors as well as enhancing your security. Any changes to templates or bulk lists will require a second user to review and approve before they come into effect. You can even add an extra layer of security by requiring smart card authorization. Always remember, don't take an email at face value and make sure to complete independent checks before making and approving changes. To switch this setting on, click Administration, then Manage Payment Preferences. Scroll down to Bulk List and Template Settings, then click Edit. Tick the boxes for dual approval required for bulk list and template changes. Select Yes to changes to bulk lists and templates require smart card. When you've made your selections, click Review Changes, then Confirm and Approve Changes. You'll then be asked to authorize with your smart card. Staying vigilant and educated on fraud and scam trends is your first line of defense. We have resources to help you and your team on our Security Center. Here, you can sign up for free security webinars and find information and guidance from the National Cybersecurity Center. You can also start a chat with Cora in Bankline for security help at any time. Make sure your colleagues know what to look out for and work as a team to stay safe. Visit natwest.com/business/security to find out more. Together, we'll beat the fraudsters.